This kind of games, Chelsea Football Club, the Chelsea that I used to know, the first half supposed to be 5-0. This kind of games, 5-0, trash them, just finish them, and substitute the Premier League players waiting for the Premier League games that will come, and let the academy guys play, or the young guys who are not getting the playing time play. But this game we suffer. Look at the goal that we even scored at the end. That Kenan goal, I can't even, if Kenan is going to be honest, like he didn't know how come by it he dribbled to that point and scored that goal. How? And there is a saying that a bad beginning makes a bad ending. A good beginning makes a good ending. So sometimes when your team win football games, don't just look at the win. If you love your team and you want your team progression, sometimes some games it is not about the 3 points or the result. The play, how you play and who you play against also matters. How you play in that game and who you play, because Chelsea is playing to move forward. Remember, we are in the level of Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, Liverpool, Man City and co. That is our level. That is our standard, Champions League. So guys, this kind of performance, if we go to Champions League, not even Champions League, Europa League and show it, can we win? Tell me, which team can we win against with this kind of performance? So sometimes, it's not about the results. Yes, we won. Yes, it's good. But in the future, if this kind of playing style doesn't change, if Chelsea don't change this kind of playing style, can we use it and win against any better opponent? The opponent names that I mentioned, our standard, when we go there, can we win? Can we play? That is the issue. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy, Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea progressed to the quarterfinal of the UEFA Conference League. Yes, and that is good because this season, this is the only trophy Chelsea can win, Conference League. So qualifying or progression is good. And before we move on, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button, yes, for me to see the numbers. Yes, let's move on, guys. But guys, do you know that we are very lucky team? Do you know that Chelsea Football Club this season in the Conference League is very lucky? We are a lucky team. Because, guys, the kind of football we play today, we were lucky we didn't play against better opponents. I mean, better opponent. Charlie, this Conference League, I hate it. It is not testing Chelsea. It is not doing anything. See, Chelsea, we are just going away with rubbish performance every day, every game. Look at the football that we play in this game. Look at the football. If it were to be some top-notch team that will meet, can we beat them with this kind of playing style? With this kind of football? No. This is unacceptable. See, there are two reasons why we are watching football. Two reasons why we are watching football. To entertain and to get result. To entertain and to win or get result. But nowadays, when you are watching Chelsea games, you are not getting anything from Chelsea. You are not getting entertained and you will not get the result. Because, guys, how on earth first half draw? How on earth first half look at our performance? How on earth look at the lineup? Players out of position. Like this game, oh Charlie. See, I was sleeping watching. Because I was watching the game, I became bored. I was asking myself, am I watching my Chelsea? Am I watching Chelsea Football Club? Is Chelsea Football Club playing game? Is Chelsea? Are we playing this way? Like I was super bored in this game. Charlie, we were lucky. We were lucky indeed. We are playing in the Conference League. Indeed, against bad Copenhagen this season. No way. Because I don't see Chelsea going away with a result with this kind of performance against any better opponent, against any better good team. No. Nowadays, as I said, when you are watching Chelsea games, you will not get anything. You will not get the results. You will not get entertained. This kind of games, Chelsea Football Club, the Chelsea that I used to know, the first half supposed to be 5-0. This kind of games, 5-0, trash them. Just finish them. and substitute the Premier League players waiting for the Premier League games that will come, and let the academy guys play, or the young guys who are not getting the playing time play. But this game we suffer. Look at the goal that we even scored at the end. That Kenan goal, I can't even, if Kenan is going to be honest, like he didn't know how come by it he dribbled to that point and scored that goal. How? No. In fact, guys, our football doesn't look attractive. Our football doesn't look good. No. This is Chelsea. And there is a saying that a bad beginning makes a bad ending. A good beginning makes a good ending. So sometimes when your team win football games, don't just look at the win. If you love your team and you want your team progression, sometimes some games it is not about the 3 points or the result. The play, how you play and who you play against also matters. How you play in that game and who you play, because Chelsea is playing to move forward. Remember, we are in the level of Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, Liverpool, Man City and co. That is our level. That is our standard, Champions League. So guys, this kind of performance, if we go to Champions League, not even Champions League, Europa League and show it, can we win? Tell me, which team can we win against with this kind of performance? So sometimes, it's not about the results. Yes, we won. Yes, it's good. But in the future, if this kind of playing style doesn't change, if Chelsea don't change this kind of playing style, can we use it and win against any better opponent? The opponent names that I mentioned, our standard, when we go there, can we win? Can we play? That is the issue. Maresca is celebrating Chelsea, the last 4 games we won, and clean sheet. And guys, go and look at those teams that we play against and won. Go and look at those. The Bolton, Southampton, and the Bolton Leicester City. And the Bad Copenhagen away and home. Bad Copenhagen. Chelsea winning against the relegation team. Our manager is celebrating. Against Leicester City this season, against Southampton, our manager is celebrating. Against this Copenhagen team, our manager is happy that we are doing well. No wonder, because imagine you never coach any Premier League team before. Not Bournemouth, not Sunderland. My respect to these teams, yes. Not Southampton, but you coach in the Championship. And in the next month or one day, they just call you to come and coach Chelsea. Won't you be happy? You will be happy. Yes, because for Maresca, this is progression for him. As a coach, his career, coaching Chelsea alone is something big, important for him. So Maresca, dear, I will not blame him a lot because that is his level. But we are Chelsea. We saw great things before. We want we are not Arsenal, or we never experienced European night celebration. We are not those kind of teams or Manchester United. No. We are Chelsea. Chelsea no be Manchester United. Chelsea no be Arsenal. We are winners. So, me beating Southampton, Leicester City, Copenhagen, what am I going to celebrate? This Conference League, even if Chelsea winning, is normal. This is not where we should even play. Or this is not our level. This is not our standard. Our manager is happy. Guys, yes. So, sometimes it is not about the winning. But the winning, the way you play, can you play it against your opponent, your better opponent, and win? Because, Man U, we are looking for top 4 this season. Man U, we are playing in the Premier League. If we show this kind of playing style or performance against any of the Premier League teams, can we win? Next game, Arsenal. If we play this way, this conference against Arsenal, we are collecting 5. I'm telling you. I know Arsenal, they are not good. Arsenal, they are overhyped. They are just like Netflix next season. Just be patient and be waiting for them next season. I know we can beat them, but not playing this way. And our players, see, from today onwards as a Chelsea fan, if you go to church, if you go to mosque, please pray for Chelsea. Please pray for Chelsea. See, we are going into a danger zone. Imagine our Savior is also now shambolic. Imagine our Savior is also now horrific, guys. Cole Palmer, guys. What is happening to Cole Palmer? Cole Palmer cannot even score. The hat-trick Cole Palmer. The Cole Palmer who scored 4 goals first half in the history of the Premier League cannot even score. And if Cole Palmer cannot score, then we are dead like that. We are finished like that. Because all our attackers, they can score. it was Cole Palmer who was carrying Chelsea, saving Chelsea from all bombardiness. But nowadays, I don't understand. Neto can score. Sancho can score. Who and who, all our wingers, our attackers, they can score. Now Cole Palmer is also off. And even this is the right time we needed everybody. 10 games for the season to end. These 10 games, we must win them and get top 4. Because, guys, I'm telling you, next season, if Chelsea doesn't get top 4, see, bad things will happen in Chelsea. So many fans will lose interest in Chelsea games. It started, this game, go and check Stamford Bridge. Nobody was there. Empty seat. Empty seat. And they saved their day. They saved their day. We those who watched the game, we were sleeping all over. Nothing that we get from this game. We didn't get results. That 1-0 that we won. No. That is shambolic 1-0. No. This kind of game, trash them. We are Chelsea. This is our home. Stamford Bridge. Conference League. We managed and get 1 goal. So even those who didn't go to the game, in fact, they saved their day. In fact, we those who watched the game, we are in trouble. Our heart is bleeding. No. We are living in pain. So guys, let's hope our style of play change. Maresca said that, see, the fans informed Maresca that his football doesn't look attractive. And Maresca said, guys, this is our style. We'll continue playing like that. And so Maresca, like, I don't understand him. As a manager, when you have principles, when you have playing style, and you are sticking to it, no matter how the situation, make sure that it is working. Make sure that you are winning games for that team. Because as a manager, you can have 1,000 billion principles for your team or what, your tactics, If you are not winning football games, everything is 0, null and void. Make sure that you are winning, getting 3 points for your team. Even if you are playing rubbish football, at the end of the day, we win. But, Charlie, this kind of games that we won, see, I'm supporting Chelsea. I can't say everything here. I'm wishing Chelsea all the best. So, now, as I said, if you go to the mosque, to the church, just make sure that you pray for Chelsea. Because next season, guys, if Chelsea doesn't get top 4, some of the fans will run away. Fans will become tired. Fans will become angry. Some fans already ran to Real Madrid. Some fans are now supporting Real Madrid. Some Chelsea fans. Yes, although it's not good. When you are supporting a team during the bad times, stay. But this our Chelsea team, they are not helping us. Maresca is not helping the fans. The players, they are not helping with the fans. They are just playing nyama football. Some bina football. I don't understand. This kind of football that this our players are playing, all of us can play. For me, I keep on saying it. Passing. Sideways, pass. When you give me the pass, I'll give you back. Then in football scene, nobody is ready to take a risk. Nobody is ready to give any dangerous pass or true pass. Everybody just delivering passes. If you give it to me, I'll give it back to you. If you give it to me, guys, can't we play it? See, we can do better than this Chelsea team. Yes, if they give this Copenhagen team to us, can't we beat them? Can't we, guys, let's be honest. Please, we can beat them. My grandma at her 80s can play better than this, some of our Chelsea players. I'm telling you. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this game. And please, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care.